One of the missions spoken to set prisoners free. Now, John the Baptist is in prison, and Jesus seemed to have abandoned him. Jesus is not saving him. John the Baptist. Now, I didn't so say. How do I say John the Baptist? So he said, I don't the lamp of God. No one will be the child. No one will have money in the body. Of us again at this night. God, the hand of God was in hand even John himself, no to Christian, was actually disturbed about this because the Messiah was supposed to be a powerful king that will deliver them. John the Baptist was also a Jew, and for the Jews, the Messiah will come to save them from being imprisoned. The Messiah will come to take over. The Messiah will come to set them free. John literally is in because being in prison, or there is here in prison, I say, God will join and say, well, when are you the one, or should we wait for another person? When I heard the say the lamp of God, it will see consent in a short or there. What this is telling us is that as humans, there are times we will ask difficult questions. There are times it will get so difficult that we will begin to ask some questions in fact that might sound like we are confused. John was in that moment. Are you the one, or should we wait for another person? First of all, John was human, as powerful as he is. Still, he asked the questions. He went to the right source. What did he say? The difference between us and John the Baptist, why John the Baptist, because he was in prison, he couldn't go himself. He sent people to go to Jesus to ask. Before we see Jesus, it is easier said than done. Who do you ask? John is an example. Go to Jesus. We go to Jesus. Go to Jesus. Or someone, when the best was such a couple, Jesus will enjoy. Are you the one? Or should we look for another? Everybody here, Jesus and the Jesus. Jesus, Assyria, and for a whole lot of reasons. One of them being that what is clear does not need to be explained. Again, it was not also the time for him to reveal himself. Makana enwere oge ọ bụrụ na ọ zara n'otu a ndị Juu nwere ike sị na ọ na-akpọ onwe Messiah, and then they will be fighting him when he has not even done what he should do. Ọ bụ ya mere Jesus wee sị John, sị ndị na-eso ụzọ John, go and tell him, gwa ya na ndị isi na-eme gịnị na-ahụzi ụzọ. Ndị mkpọrọ na-eme gịnị na-agazi ije. Ọ na-asị John, chetakwa ihe ahụ onye amụma Aịzaya kwuru. Chetakwa ihe ahụ e kwuru n'amụma na ihe ahụ na-eme gịnị na-emezi na. So gịnị ka m mere iji achọ ọ bụ mụnwa ka ọ bụ onye ọzọ? The signs are clear. The signs are there. People of God, what this is telling us is that the signs are always here for us. Sometimes we refuse to see it. Sometimes we close our eyes to them. Sometimes we do not recognize them. But the truth is that the signs are always there. Na ndị isi na-afụ ụzọ. Ihe ọzọ ka m chọkwara ka anyị metụkwa aka n'ihe abụọ. Ndị na-eso ụzọ John, those you surround yourselves with. John zigara ndị na-eso ụzọ ya, and ndị na-eso ụzọ ya emekere ekwerekwe gaa to the right person. But most times when things get difficult for us, we surround ourselves with those who will give us bad advices, those who will lead us astray, those who will not help us. Ndị ahụ, they went straight to Jesus. Ha sịrị ka ha buru ụzọ gaa ebe ọzọ, ma ọ bụ even convince ya John si ya, oh, don't worry na abụrụkwa onye a, ka anyị chere onye ọzọ. It is very important, people of God, for you to surround yourself with good friends that will give you good advice, listen to you, pray for you, and not mislead you. John surrounded himself with his trusted disciples, and they went. Even though that they returned back to John. Ihe ọzọkwa m chọrọ ka anyị mụtakwa n'ozi ọma bụ na oge Jesu kwuchara ihe ndị a na ndị isi afụkwa n'ụzọ ndị kwọrọ agaba n'ije, ọ sị ha gịnị? Blessed is the one who takes no offense at me. Ndị otu Kristi, mgbe ụfọdụ ihe siere anyị ike, mgbe ụfọdụ na ihe a na-agụ otu anyị si wee chọọ, anyị emegide, anyị ewesawara Chukwu iwe, ma ọ bụ wesawara mmadụ ibe anyị iwe. Jesu sịrị ya, John, I am not telling you whether I am the person or not, but the signs are there. Ọ sịrị ha gịnị? Blessed are you, blessed are those who do not take offense at me. Ị na-ewesara Chukwu iwe. Do not take offense at Jesus, because he is still doing his work. And na-ewesara Chukwu iwe maka gịnị kwado? Because we have refused to open our eyes to see, we have refused to open our ears to hear, we have refused to recognize his wonders that is happening around us. Nko mwenu na gana kusea ewe sana Chukwu iwe. Kwa hiyo sasa ewe sana Chukwu iwe. Jiri yosho na papaya sea ewe sana Chukwu iwe. Ama ewe sana Chukwu iwe. Do not take offense at God. Blessed is the one who takes no offense at me. Ndị otu Kristi n'ikpeazụ oge ihe ndị anyị na-emechara, what happened to John? John sịrị anyway na ansa nwoke a na-odo anya. Ọ nọ mana ọbụrụ ma nwaanyị John jiri wee nọrọ na prison in the first place. Why? Because he spoke against an evil that was happening. So it would have been easier for John to say, oh, I'm imagining this man a simple question instead of him to be straightforward with me. He He could have said, Herod, don't worry about it. But John insisted that John still stayed there. Although now so in Nigeria, I said, if you reach your turn, give up. Don't you Christian? Go ahead and say, don't give up.
Don't give up.
Go ahead and also say, don't give up. Go ahead and say, I'm quechiri. God is good. Iye John got this guy cut that spirit of him quechiri. Niha na agara go from a cat, quechiri, na echi, okay, megane, oga go from a. Niha de sneaky get that tomorrow, it will go well. You don't know where she never go to Guru, Makara, where Nokia at 10. I go to my Nokia at 10 there. And when the Guru went up at a hand, Ubua, you will keep what that kind of a fool. All I go with him, all my in fact, I'll choke over the name, Wapagayos. So what John is teaching us is that spirit of quechiri, the spirit of don't give up. The Lord is there. The Lord has come to save you. So go to Jesus. Surround yourself with good friends and get the word quechiri. So obviously they can put language in us. If you reach your turn, do what? If you reach your turn, give up, because I won't give up. So do not give up. And then to Christy, why do you think Jesus was not even there to save John the Baptist? The job of John the Baptist was to be the precursor of Jesus. Okay, I'm on the job. All the job to take the center stage at the time. Man, okay, John on the job. Okay, Jesus on there. And now we look at the board again. No forward. Jesus needed to take the center stage to do his work. And so John had to do what? To give way, to step down. Although Jesus already name baptism, baptism, John had to give way for Jesus to take over. That was already in the plan of God. So whenever it is our turn, people of God, we do what? We shine. But whenever it is our turn to do what? To leave the stage, we do what? We leave the stage. Jesus asked John. John was to give way for the Messiah to take over. So we also have to know when it is the time for us to say what? I have done my part. Let this person continue. I have done this. Especially everyone could be on around, on catching especially Denmark, all that kind of Denmark, they make it a call, they say, I will, like he can't go on, but they can go over. Before they can now, say, business man, you go now, you go the day. When it is time, you have to do what? To hand over, to step down. What a difficult thing for animal people. And I'm saying it especially traditionally. Even John and Agua in the beginning, they will look okay, saying, and it pertains also to our community here. It will look okay, yes, we are the founders and all that. We have to say, let other people do what? Take over. Let the young people do what? Come up. And we have to do that. It is difficult, but up in here, this is not my gospel. It is the gospel
So this is the message of today, people of God. Dịka anyị na-eche maka ọbịbịa nke onye nzọpụta ahụ, a na-agwa anyị sị ka anyị chere n'okwukwe, ka anyị nwee nchekwube, ka anyị ṅụrịa maka na onye nwe anyị na-abịa nso. Dịka anyị na-eche na-emezupụta ihe ndị a niile akwụkwọ nsọ kwuru, dịka gịnị ịgakwuru Jesu, dịka ime gịnị ikwudesi ike n'okwukwe anyị, ikwechirinu, dịka imekwa ihe ndị ọzọ abụ ihe ndị anọtere anyị aka. Ọ bụ oge a ka ọ ga-abụ mgbe Jesu ga-abịa na Krismas, ọṅụ anyị ga-eme gịnị zuo oke. Ekpere m bụ na ọṅụ unu niile ga-ezu oke na Krismas dịka Kristi dị